I am excited to talk to you today about a topic that is becoming more and more important in the world of agriculture. Regenerative agriculture and soil health. Hello and namaskar. This is Agriculture Tomorrow and welcome to the first episode of Food for Everyone with Shishir Ranjan. First of all, let me explain what regenerative agriculture is. It's a way of farming that focuses on improving the health of the soil rather than just maximizing crop yields. By using techniques like crop rotation, cover cropping, and reduced tillage, farmers can build up organic matter in their soil and create a more diverse and thriving soil ecosystem. But why is this important? Well, the health of our soil is critical to the health of our planet. Soils play a critical role in storing carbon, filtering water, and supporting the growth of crops and other plants. When the soil is healthy, it can perform these functions more effectively, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change and protect our water resources. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but why do we need to go to all this effort? Can't we just keep using the same old farming methods we have always been doing? The truth is, traditional farming practices often involve intensive tillage, monoculture cropping, and the heavy use of chemical fertilizers and chemical pesticides. All of these things can harm the soil, reducing its ability to store carbon and support plant growth. That's why regenerative agriculture is so important. By using techniques like cover cropping and reduced tillage, farmers can help to rebuild the soil and make it more resilient. This in turn can lead to better crop yields, increased water retention, and more sustainable food systems. One of the key benefits of regenerative agriculture is the improvement in soil structure. When you have a healthy soil structure, water can penetrate more easily and reach the roots of our crops. This means we can grow crops with less irrigation and still get high yields. It's like a magic trick. By improving the soil, you can conserve water and grow more food at the same time. Another important aspect of regenerative agriculture is the reduction in the use of chemical inputs like fertilizers and pesticides. By using cover crops and crop rotation, farmers can create a more diverse and healthy soil ecosystem that can better resist disease and pests. And by reducing the use of chemicals, we can help to protect our waterways and wildlife from harmful runoff. So what can you do to help support regenerative agriculture and soil health? Well, for starters, you can seek out foods that are grown using regenerative practices. Look for labels like organic food or biodynamic that indicate that the food was grown without synthetic fertilizers or pesticides. You can also support farmers who are using regenerative practices by buying from local farmers market. Or another way to support regenerative agriculture is to get involved with our community. Attend local events, workshops on regenerative agriculture and soil health, and share your knowledge and enthusiasm with others. You can also reach out to your elected representatives and advocate for policies that support regenerative agriculture and soil health. And of course, you can also support our channel, Agriculture Tomorrow, where we will be bringing you all sorts of amazing content about regenerative agriculture and soil health. We will be talking to farmers and experts and exploring the latest techniques and technologies that are helping to revolutionize the way we grow food. So be sure to subscribe and join us on this exciting journey. And don't forget to spread the word on social media. Share our videos and regenerative agriculture and soil health and engage with others who are passionate about this topic. By creating a community of people who care about regenerative agriculture and soil health, we can make a real difference. Now coming back, it's really exciting to see the progress that is made in the regenerative agriculture and soil health. But there is still much work to be done. Climate change, soil degradation, and declining biodiversity are all major challenges that we need to address. But working together and supporting farmers who are using regenerative practices, we can help to create a more sustainable and resilient food systems for future generations. One of the key components of regenerative agriculture is the focus on soil health. Soil is foundation of all agriculture, and it's crucial for supporting healthy crops and pastures. Healthy soil is full of life with a diverse population of microbes, fungi, and other organisms. These soil organisms play a critical role in supporting plant growth, nutrient recycling, and water retention. To support soil health, it's important to avoid practices that can harm soil organisms, such as tillage, the use of synthetic chemicals, and monoculture cropping systems. By focusing on soil health, regenerative agriculture aims to create a system that is resilient and sustainable, even in the face of environmental challenges such as drought, food, and pest outbreaks. Instead, regenerative agriculture seeks to build soil health by promoting the growth of soil organisms and increasing soil organic matter. This can be achieved through a variety of practices such as cover cropping, composting, and reduced tillage. Cover cropping involves planting a diverse mix of crops that can add organic matter to the soil and improve soil structure. Composting involves the decomposition of organic matter to produce a nutrient-rich soil amendment that can be used to fertilize crops. Reduced tillage involves minimizing the disturbance of soil, which can help to preserve soil structure and promote the growth of soil organisms. Another important aspect of regenerative agriculture is the integration of livestock. Livestock can play a critical role in regenerative agriculture by providing manure, which can be used to fertilize crops, and grazing in regenerative agriculture contributes to a holistic approach to farming and ranching that focuses on building soil health, improving ecosystem services, and enhancing both farm productivity and resilience. It's a whole systems approach to agriculture that takes into account the complex interactions between the soil, water, air, plants, animals, and people that make up an agriculture ecosystem. The goal of regenerative agriculture is to create a self-sustaining, closed-loop systems that produces high-quality food and fiber, while also improving the health of the environment and the communities that depend on it. Remember, every small action counts, whether it's choosing to buy food from a local farmers who are using regenerative methods, supporting organizations that promote regenerative agriculture, or simply spreading the word about the importance of soil health. We can make a difference. So let's work together to create a more sustainable and resilient future for ourselves and the planet. In conclusion, regenerative agriculture is a critical part of our future. By improving the health of our soil, we can create a more sustainable and resilient food systems that can help to protect our planet and feed our growing population. And supporting regenerative agriculture, you can be a part of the solution. So let's get started today. Are you ready to join us on this exciting journey of food for everyone? If so, then be sure to subscribe to our channel Agriculture Tomorrow and tune in as we explore the world of growing food sustainably. Together, let's create a more sustainable future for everyone. Thank you.